What is up guys, it's HotDiecast Garage, and we are back with 6 highly detailed diecast collectible cars from Tomica, which are zooming into Walmarts across America. Now this North American Tomica release will only be available at Walmart stores across the United States and Canada and will retail at $4.99 each. When these cars launch, there will be 2 different waves of cars available. This is wave 1, and once these sell out, they will fill up the shelves with a second assortment. The wave 1 cars include the Nissan GTR, the Subaru BRZ, the Suzuki Swift Sport, the Mazda CX5, the Toyota Prius Sport, and the French fry truck. Since the Wave 1 cars will be replaced by the Wave 2 cars, Tomy said these are limited editions, so make sure you buy the ones you like before they sell out. On the back of the box, it says a little bit about Tomica's heritage. First launched in 1970, the diecast toy vehicle brand is a household name in Japan across 3 generations. It also talks about the design, which says each Tomica car is stylized by seasoned experts to enhance the features of a real-world vehicle at a reduced scale. Rather than following traditional scales, each Tomica vehicle is scaled to fit in the package. So every Tomica car has its own packaging, special features, designs, and finishes, so let's open these up and take a look at them out of the box. Starting off with my personal favorite Tomica model, number 23, the orange Nissan GTR. Now this is a really nice car. It has clear headlights, blaze orange metallic paint, black 4-piece rims with working suspension, opening doors, and orange interior. This thing is just absolutely gorgeous. Up next, we're going to take a look at number 6, the blue Subaru BRZ. The BRZ has a glossy blue paint job with painted headlights, Subaru logo, the same black rims as the GTR does. If you open up the door, we have a black interior, red tail lamps on the back, and a black spoiler to finish it off. Alright, here we have number 109, the yellow Suzuki Swift Sport. The Suzuki Swift Sport has an incredibly bright yellow paint job. It's like a highlighter. We have the Suzuki logo on the front with clear headlights, and on the back we have an opening tailgate because, of course, what's better than opening your trunk? Let's open up number 76, the white Toyota Prius PHV GR Sport. Prius has a metallic white paint job which looks absolutely stunning. It has a different set of wheels than the other models with the chrome edge around it, and of course it has the opening trunk, which really makes me a fan of the Toyota Prius. Here we have Tomica number 24, the red Mazda CX5. As for the Mazda CX5, this thing has a perfect coat of red paint, Mazda logo on the front, silver painted headlights, similar wheels to the Suzuki, and if you open up the trunk, this thing is so realistic, it looks like a real miniature car. Last but not least, we have number 55, the Isuzu Giga Fried Potato Car, also known as the French fry truck. Believe it or not, this is actually one of my new favorite diecast cars. It is so unique. It has the red truck cab in the front and the French fry trailer in the back for a total of 6 wheels of awesomeness. I really like this one a lot. There we have it guys, the first wave of Tomica cars arriving at Walmarts in North America. This is literally one of the coolest groups of vehicles I've ever seen, so if you see these at Walmart, make sure you pick them up. I would like to thank Tomy for sending me these cars, but I also want to thank you guys for watching and supporting my YouTube channel. I will have more videos coming soon, so thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.